Gates open, they're up and racing. Mike's Dancer draws for your lead. Diamond Blaster moving up in between runners is Stand By Your Man. Mutiara moving up on the outside. Tiger Afe comes next, then followed by Precious Metal. Royal Family, Hakuna Matata running by the rail is entry number 1, Jenny Cole, as they rounded the last 450. Mike's Dancer still leading the field by about 3 lengths. Running now in second is Stand By Your Man, Diamond Blaster, Mutiara, Tiger Afe, and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Mike's Dancer still leading the field, followed now by Diamond Blaster. Tiger Afe running on the outside third with 75 meters up the race. Mike's Dancer doing it from start to finish. Second, Diamond Blaster, Tiger Afe, 1A Precious Metal, 7A Mutiara. Then comes number 5, Royal Family.